Hello students, in this video we are going to understand how to draw the graph of cubic polynomial. Okay, the topic is graph of cubic. Got it? Now first of all, what is the cubic polynomial? Cubic polynomial, in a polynomial, if degree is 3, then the polynomial is called the cubic polynomial. At an example, or you can say general form, it is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Got it? Let's some examples. Example number 1. Let fx equals to x cube minus 4x. Is it a cubic polynomial? Yes. What is the a here? A is 1. What is the b? B is 0. What is the c? C is the minus 4. What is the d? D is 0 again. Got it? You understand what is the cubic polynomial? Okay. Now, what is the graph of cubic polynomial? Then we can see, you can draw the graph very easily. You put the x on the x-axis and obtain the value of y, and they will give the points on coordinate axis, and with the help of these points we can easily draw the graph of cubic. But now you have to understand the basic figure of cubic. As we know, the basic figure of quadratic is, yes, parabola. Like that, the basic figure of cubic is the geometry of like this one, or you can say this one. Yes, there is no specific name. They are just like that quadratic. How I can draw like this and this type? And what is the basic meaning, or you can say basic understanding to understand these two figures? Okay. Now let this example, x cube minus 4x. Got it? Now we want to draw this graph. Fx equals to x cube minus 4x. Got it? Take the different values of x on x-axis. I am going to, for that, take the x common from here, and it is the x square minus 4. And now further factorize, it is the x minus 2, and it is x plus 2. As we know, this is a cubic because its degree is 3. That's cubic equation have how many zeros? 3 zeros. 3 zeros. And what is the zeros? They are x equals to 0 and x equals to 2 and x equals to minus 2. These are the zeros. Means at these points, you can see at these point fx will be 0. That's why they are called the zeros. Okay, where these zeros comes, or you can say where these zeros lies? On x-axis. Why? Because as we know, this is the y is 0, means for the first point becomes 0, 0, for the second 2, 0, and for the third minus 2, 0. Yes or no? Yes. Then what is the nature of graph? Let's see. There are 3 points. We are going to take x-axis, and on x-axis there are 3 points. We can take 3 points. First is minus 2, 0. Second is 0, 0, and third one is 2, 0. Now what is the equation? It is the x cube minus 4x. Yes or no? Yes. Now you can put any values away from 2, means like 3, 4, etc. These values. Then what will come here? I am going to put f3. It is a 27 minus 12. Your answer is 15. Means at 3 the point is 15 upside. Yes or no? Means the nature of the parabola, or you can say nature of this graph, will be like this. This one and this is turning, and this one and this. Yes, as I told you, see here, this one. Yes or no? Means geometry is like this figure. Get it? Check it. Yes. This is the graph of cubic. As we know, cubic equation has 3 roots. Then there are 3 intersection points with the x-axis. Because given equation have 3 real roots at a -2, 2 and 0, or you can say 3 zeros. Okay, now I think you can understand basic figure, or you can say basic method to draw the graph of cubic. If you see any cubic equation, then you can realize that graph is either of this type or this type. Alright, suppose we can take the another cubic like this, fx equals to minus x cube plus 4x. Then what will happen? If we put x equals to -4, sorry 4, then, or you can say 3, then it is the -27, yes or no, and plus 12, it will become -15. Now here it is 15, it is 15, and now it is -15. Means if I want to draw the graph of this cubic equation, then what is the nature of graph? The nature of graph is just reverse, means like this. Here is the x-axis, you can see, and there will be 3 points, and points are similar because roots are similar. It is 0, 0, it is 2, 0, and it is -2, 0. Yes or no? Means now you can understand the basic figure, or you can say basic geometry of the cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial have 2 types of geometry, either likewise this or like this, and this is depend on the sign of this, and you memorize it. If the coefficient of x cube is negative, then the geometry is like this, and if the coefficient of x cube, or you can say leading coefficient, is positive, then geometry is like this. Got it? Now summarize it. Cubic equation, cubic polynomial have 3 roots. Got it? Due to the 3 roots, there are, you can say, 2 turning points. Because if roots comes on x-axis, then how come it possible that graph go downside and don't come upside? Because the graph have to passing from this point also, then third point also. That's why there are 2 turning points. Yes or no? And for 10th class, I want to say that you put different values of x and find different values of y. Yes or no? Yes. Then on these values you can easily draw the graph. Understand? And till now you can understand that the nature of graph have only 2 possibilities. Understand? This is the basic features of the graph of cubic polynomial. Okay.